Hey everybody, I'm gonna explain our laundry detergent, which is in my top 3 favorite products in the whole catalog. This stuff is like powdered gold. This is our Norwex laundry detergent. As you can see, do you see how clear that is? It's incredible. This has a teaspoon of laundry detergent in it. You can see it actually is in there, but it is free from all fillers and fragrances and dyes and all that gunk, phthalates, phosphates, sulfates. Let's read the package. No phosphates, SLS or SLES, chlorine bleach, fillers, optical brighteners, no animal testing, dyes or fragrances. So that's leaving out all the stuff that you don't need for your laundry to actually be clean. And it's leaving in there just really concentrated soap. Okay, that's what we want anyway for our clothes, is just soap, because that's what washes it the best. So with 1 teaspoon per large load in a high efficiency washer, that's all you need. That means this one bag can last you 4 to 5 months. Say you're doing 10 loads of laundry a week, do the math. That's like 5 months worth of laundry. It doesn't stop there though, because what I actually use this jar for is to clean my jewelry, or at parties, I clean other people's jewelry. You can clean your makeup brushes, you can soak your shoelaces in it, soak pretty much anything, your pots and pans or the filter up, like your vent hood. All types of things can be soaked in this, but again, because it's just a really high concentrated soap. This is what's best for your cloths because it's lacking all of those chemicals I mentioned. That means that those chemicals are not in your washer attaching themselves and being absorbed by your cloths. So instead of leaving a waxy film over all the fibers that can clog and keep the silver from reaching the bacteria, it actually is just rinsing right out and making your clothes whiter, your cloths fresher. I absolutely love this. I have 3 children, one of which is 5 months old. So believe me when I say I clean all kinds of grossness out of our laundry. I also have a little boy, so that's 4. And again, you know, if you've had a 4-year-old boy, all the grossness that they can bring to the table. So laundry detergent, it's a must have.